is named after a man named Cormac Finzel, who basically he owned a sugar refinery down here, which is where this bridge connects to the quayside the sugar refinery used to be. It was actually where granulated sugar was developed. So granulated sugar that we all know and love today, we put in our tea and our coffee, on our Weetabix and cereal and stuff like that, was all developed in this warehouse down here on the right hand side. The rest of this complex, it used to be a brewery. It was owned by George's Brewery once upon a time. They were the longest running brewers down here. They were brewing here, well, they started here in 1788. They were here until 1999. After the brewery closed down in 1999, this whole place became derelict until about 2014 when it was redeveloped. Most of the old buildings that were down here were so decrepit and poorly maintained that they had to get rid of them because they were unsafe. The only structure that really remains from the old brewery complex is this outer wall here you can see on the right hand side, which dates back to the late 1700s. As we make our turn, Castle Park's in front of us. Castle Park, very beautiful park. It used to be a massive castle though. The castle was built in the 11th century by William the Conqueror, and it was the second largest castle in England until it was destroyed in 1656 by Oliver Cromwell following the English Civil War. See, after the parliamentarians were victorious over the royalists, they went around destroying as many castles basically in royalist territories as possible, as they were so afraid of a revolt happening and the castles being taken over and there being lengthy sieges. Because Bristol had one of the largest and we were a strategic royalist port, he came here and tore it down. The bricks were then used to build a new city centre where Castle Park stands now. The city centre was completely bombed to rubble during the Second World War. The only building that remains from the old city centre is the church in the middle of the park. It's been left as a ruin, as a sort of reminder and a memorial to the people that sadly lost their lives. In the 90s, the park was converted, the sort of ground that was here before was converted into the park that it is today. We've also got Colin the crocodile up here on the right hand side.